man, welcome back at another. This is a Dodge Durango 2012 model. They say it has a tick. Is this a push start? No push start. All right, let's see. It's first thing in the morning. Let's see how it sounds. Here we go. Let's go listen to it. I do hear some ticking, but that's your typical cold oil gotta make its way back up to the valve train type tick. Oh, it's still there, so that means it's constant. I don't feel the adapter housing leak. This look new, so that might just be residue down there. Yesterday when I heard it tick on this side, guys, and before I let it get hot, real hot, I'm just gonna take it in and start yanking this side valve cover off. I hope that's the only side, and it's not a thud type tick. Thud type tick mean, there you go. A thud type tick mean there's a chance. See, I don't hear it on this side. I hear it on this side. Bank one. That should be easy, guys. Let's yank this valve cover off and see what we got. See, that's a tick. That's at the beginning stages. So chances are you just only may need rocker arms and not a camshaft. All right, you can only hope, because camshaft like $200 or $300. So let's hope you only need rocker arms. That's a baby tick, but nevertheless, it's a tick. And if left untreated or if left uncared for, you can turn it into a thud tick. A thud tick means you waited too long. All right, I'm about to take this in the shop, guys. We'll start yanking this apart. Try to fix this today, guys. All right, so hang tight, man. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, this same white Grand Cherokee, no, Durango. I got it off. Remember what I said outside, guys? Yes, it's a baby ticker. All right, you can see where it's starting to. If you have a hard time doing what I call a JT field test, just take a real hard look at the cam lobe. Like that cam lobe right there getting ready to wear out. You can see it's being tuned up into the edges, into the outer edges. All right, what that means is that right there, ladies and gentlemen, that roller rocker is failing. Okay, the bearings is coming apart. Okay, and plus you can see the little powder shavings on the tone wheel. Okay, that's the only one I found, guys. That's what I mean by catching it early. Okay, this is a baby tick that do not need any camshaft, guys. Follow me here. The first sign of tick, you might want to get it checked out. Okay, you might get lucky and it just be one roller rocker. Now I'm going to do them all on this head. Okay, and remember I took a gamble on guessing which side. Well, it wasn't a gamble and it wasn't a guess. I have a trained ear now. I can hear that it was on this side. All right, this is bank one. Okay, so I have timing marks up. Now, I'm not going to film this, guys. I'm sorry. All right, I have a ton of videos out there on the 360. I just want you guys to see what you should be looking for if you're a DIY guy. That lobe is starting to be chewed up. If they'd have drove this, I'd say another, I don't know, 1,000 miles. This lobe would have been shot, which means this camshaft would need replacing. Guys, this is the most expensive camshaft because it has the PCV device attached to it. So this one is very expensive. Bank one exhaust camshaft is very expensive. Okay, so I got it, the timing up. I'm gonna mark these. I'm not gonna take this all the way off, guys. I got a video out there showing you how to remove the valve train without any special tools. If you happen to don't have one, don't panic. Just watch this video right here. Now, I don't condone this. I really think you should get the tool and use the tool. It's just some people keep pounding me about asking me how I do it. You can't go by me. I am a veteran at this. I've done a lot of them, which means I have found the shortest of shortcuts. Okay, now sure I can share them, but I don't suggest you do them that way. Okay, this can come off as looking reckless. All right, but the end goal is the same. The end goal is to run fine without ticking noise. All right, and I'm going to do that, fix that by simply replacing all these noisy roller rockers. All right, guys, I have a bunch of work to do, guys. All right, so I'll let y'all hear it after I'm done. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Yes, can you say success? Can you say peace and quiet? Yes, guys. Where's the broken one? Like I say, guys, they got lucky. All right, here it is right here. See that? When you get one like that, it's just a simple tick. Tick, tick, tick there. I can't move it. I only got one hand, but that is loose. The needle bearings are coming out of here, guys. See how that's moving? Yes. Now, I ended up doing all of them on this side. I think I chunked the rest of them, but here are all of them, okay? That's why I heard the noise, and that's all. That's all I'm going to charge her for. Now, will that side go bad? That's a possibility, guys. I mean, it's up to you as the individual mechanic how you want to proceed with your diagnostics. I gave them a charge to fix the ticking. All right, the ticking is now gone. Okay, can I guarantee this? Yes, up to this side. And now I didn't replace the phasers, which I'm going against my own rule. I always recommend y'all do those phasers if you're in there, or if you have them off at around between 80 and 100,000 miles. But I never did take the phasers off. Okay, I merely went the old Shaw family video route. Okay, where you lift up the camshaft and replace all the rock arms. I did all the rock arms on this side, guys. The ticking is gone. Now, a couple of things I'm about to do, and I recommend you do after every job. I'm going to relearn cam and crank. I'm going to clean the phasers, guys. Yes, there's a feature on the scan tool where you can clean the phasers. Actually, all it's doing is making these actuators. You know the actuators are attached to the oil control valve, right? So it's going to push in that oil control valve, the nut on the cam phaser. I'll just talk about that in another video, guys. But I'm going to clean the cam phasers. I'm going to relearn adaptive memory. I'm going to go test drive. It's already quiet, so basically my job is done. But I'm going to do the extras that come along with doing a ticker. All right, so guys, I know I'm gonna get criticized for not actually doing the job, but again, guys, I just put a bunch of my videos in the description, and to me, I think you need to hear what I'm doing as opposed to see what I'm doing, especially if you're about to start doing them. Okay, on this video, I suggest you listen to what I'm doing, I did, and why I had to do what I did, and what was the reasoning behind doing what I did. At the end of the day, I'm trying to save this poor customer of mine some money. Now, like I say, she'd probably sell it. It'd probably be gone in about a year now when it may start ticking again. That's not a guarantee that it's gonna tick. Guys, I've never replaced rocker arms that I've replaced before. And yes, I went in with OEM Mopar rocker arm. Okay, so the ones I put in there should last the life of the car. This side should never tick again unless, and I forgot to mention, I did make sure the oil galley plugs was tight. Okay, so it shouldn't have a problem out of this side. This side, I didn't touch that side, so there's a slim chance. All right, guys, I gotta roll. I'll go drive this car, do what I need to do. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.